How we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back to another fun episode of Tom's Flair Bartending Tips. Yes, my name is Tom Dyer and I'm going to be sharing with you my skills and knowledge in Flair bartending so you can improve your Flair bartending skills. Hence the name Flair Bartending Tips. Duh. Coming up on today's episode, I'm going to be taking you through my top 5 flash moves. Flash moves are where all the objects go in the air at the same time and then you catch them again. Of course, you need to catch them, otherwise you're just throwing stuff on the floor. I'll also be giving away a Flair starter kit like this, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave me a comment down below on what your favorite Flair move is to be in for a chance of winning. I'll also be announcing who will be the lucky 3 winners from last week's episode, where they're going to win one of these Grail jiggers each. So stick around until the end to find out if you're one of those lucky winners. These moves can be quite difficult, so please take care, and I recommend you get yourself a practice bottle such as this. This is my Tom Dyer Fly training bottle. It's a little bit rubbery, great for training with. You can get one from my website, tomdyerbartender.com. Cool. The first flash move I'm going to show you today looks like this. Probably made famous by a bartender called Mr. Nicholas St. John. I now see it used quite a lot with bartenders all over the world. Let's break it down. So pretty much all of these flash moves I'm going to show you involve the tin doing a flat throw where there's no spin on the shaker. In this instance, you're throwing the tin from behind your back to in front of you. Same hand, left hand to left hand. The bottle, you're throwing the bottle across you from right hand to right hand with a single spin like this. You just have to do it at the same time. Right, Tom's top tip, number 1, when you're doing this move, keep the tin low and put the bottle high so they don't hit one another when they cross over. The second flash Flair bartending move I'm going to show you looks like this. It's a tough one to get because, again, the 2 objects are crossing over, but in this case, they're basically going over your shoulder. So if I do the move this way, you can see how they're separated. This time with the shaker, you're going behind your back, over your shoulder, whoop, like this. Whoop. And the bottle is just going over your shoulder, like this. Then you need to do them at the same time. Oh yeah. Takes a bit of practice to get these, but give yourself a bit of patience, a bit of time, and you'll get it. I believe in you. Moving on to our Flair bartending flash move, number 3, looks like this. Oh yeah. Let's break it down. This is a move used a lot by professional Flair bartenders all over the world, and same concept as the previous ones. This time the tin is doing what we call a shadow pass. Using my left hand, throwing it from the right side of my body, behind my head, and catching it here. So you need to practice that first. No spin on the shaker. And the bottle is coming over our shoulder, same as the move before, but this time the tin is doing a shadow. This move was used a lot by Mr. Tom McMawick. He used to use this move in some of his routines and with some of his multiple objects as well. Give it a try, let me know how you get on. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. Hope you're practicing hard. If you are, don't forget to go down in there and smash on that like button for me. That really helps me out and gets this video to a lot more bartenders who can learn these moves as well. So thank you very much. Flair bartending, flash move, number 4. This move was inspired by me watching a lot of South American Flair bartenders, more specifically a guy called Christian Cordoba who did a move that was kind of similar, and I adapted it to turn it into this basically. I call it the heli flash. Looks like this. Really nice little move, looks really simple, can be really hard. With the shaker, you're literally just going behind your back, front to back. Nice and simple. With the bottle, you're doing a helicopter, so you want to spin the bottle as horizontally as you can for a single spin, and you're catching it in the same position that you threw it, but just across your body. You want to keep one low, one high, so the bottle comes across low and the tin goes high. That's what makes it a bit confusing for some. I love this move. if you want, you can chuck in one of those at the end as well. It looks really nice. Right, the fifth and final Flair bartending flash move from today's episode is the right way up. Looks like this. Yes. You see, everything ends up in the right way. Huh? Let's break it down. So the tin in this instance is going from a stool to a stool. You're starting with the tin upside down on your right hand and you're throwing up to catch it in the right way up. Hence the name right way up. The bottle you're holding in tennis grip by the body of the bottle, throwing up from back to front and catching it in beer grip in front of you like so. So it comes up like this and the tin goes from there to there. And the tin is coming over the top and the bottle is coming around the bottom. So it looks like this. Ooh. There we go, my top 5 Flair bartending flash moves. More specifically, should I say, my top 5 Flair bartending flash move. Say that fast 5 times. Top 5 Flair bartending flash moves. Top 5 is hard. My top 5 Flair bartending flash moves, more specifically bottle and tin flash moves. We can take this to a whole nother level when we start using multiple objects, but that's for a whole other video. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Good luck practicing. Please take care. And again, don't forget to get yourself a practice bottle. It's really, really, really useful. One like this will last you forever. Literally, it does not break. And it will help all those cuts and bruises as well. So thank you to all my patrons who are supporting me on Patreon. It really does help me out. I really do appreciate it and boosts me to make more and more videos. If you want to be part of that, go check out the link in the description below. Okay, before we go, let's pick our 3 winners of those Grail Jiggers. And the first one up is going to Daniel Nisilius. Great name, Daniel. Thank you very much. Second Grail Jigger was going to be sent to Mauricio Romero. Congratulations, Mauricio. And the third and final Grail Jigger will be sent to Tudor Turner. Congratulations, you 3 guys. Drop me a message on Instagram and we'll arrange those jiggers to be sent out to you as soon as possible. And good luck to everybody this week on winning that Flair kit. But for now, that's it. That's all we got. So thank you very much for watching. Till next time, my walk-off is getting better.